February 20th, 2017, the sixth shooting day of Magayon.
No.
And we are now at the authority of this film, the art department.
No. I mean,
And we have the... Sir, introduce yourself.
no. I'm the one of
Propsman. Okay.
Set department. No.
Si Kuya
Arnel.
Arnel.
Came from Canada, you know.
Yeah, okay. Canada. So,
This is my co-art that
art,
came from Brazil.
the expert. And this one,
This is a British.
the British guy.
Oh.
What's up?
What's up?
Tawag daw, yo.
Yo. So if you look, if you see that props, that
Yes.
that is
It's very original.
you know, you yes, use sandals or always wear your sandals.
Of the old Bicolanos.
Oh, Bicolanos. And of course the mask. That is the one beautiful, you know.
As props. And this one is are the shields. Not shields. Body ornament.
Uy, kailangan malapawis.
Oo nga eh. And the main artist. And we are at the location site here at Bicolano oil mill of Sy. We're just waiting for the director to start the shooting again. And probably another piece is Guerrero Alcala with my title or role, with my role as the longest cameo role in the film.